Chapter 20. Usury or interest. The word usury has gained a meaning that falsifies the picture so that for many it means exorbitant interest. The subject of interest is coloured by the Greek view of it as evil. In biblical law, interest is forbidden to anyone lending to a fellow believer who is in need. We must not see ourselves then as a creditor, but as a friend, and the loan is to be interest-free. Exodus 22:25, Deuteronomy 23:19 and 20. Interest can be charged on a loan to an alien, one who is not a covenant member. Deuteronomy 23:20. A covenant member, a brother, when in need, should receive a loan without interest. Deuteronomy 15:7 and 8. Debts to aliens who are not covenant members are not cancelled on the seventh or sabbatical years. Deuteronomy 15:1-6. From Abraham's day on, Israel or the Hebrew people were a mixed multitude of various peoples. Their common tie was the covenant, not blood. As a result, we cannot limit the exemption from interest in charitable loans to Israelites alone, for to do so is to disregard the covenant. To view Israel as a racial group is to impose modern ideas on the Bible. Neither nationalism nor race were then governing factors. A covenant constituted a group, clan or tribe, or a people. Roman citizenship centuries after Moses rested on worship and the rites of lustration or atonement. The basic bond that constituted a people was religious, not necessarily or usually a true faith, but a faith nonetheless.